A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to today's session, pre-bell session with William O'Neill India, June 7th. So if you can look at Nifty setup, again, the Friday's move that we have already discussed was not that good. So it made a good high on Friday, but the reversal, that is something which is a matter of concern for the market, that the Friday's reversal. And again, like yesterday, Nifty breached its small or the you can say the key 5 EMA, which is not that significant moving average, but yes, why we are discussing it nowadays because it has been very useful since last couple of months, and the 5 EMA Nifty is moving around, and that's why we are discussing. But the important over here is this red line, which is the 50 DMA. And if Nifty fails to reclaim that and it breaches the current support levels, right, which is somewhere around this 16,450, 500 wala zone agar breach karta hai, then it can test its 21 DMA and it might fall further. But abhi ke liye, few of the leading stocks ke setups have been holding well, and index level पे अच्छा management हो रहा है because some of the stocks are trading near its 52-week high. I'm not telling they have made a new high. Let's say, for example, the Reliance is trading at a high, and some of the other stocks, the auto stocks, are withholding. So overall, there is not major issue, but the volatility is very high. So every day you will never see that okay, the market is going in one direction. Except I think last week एक आध दिन ऐसा हुआ था, yes, Monday को जब gap up हुआ था. Baki, the market has been very volatile, and you can see that every day. So after that Friday's reversal, now taking that high, and which is very close to this 50 DMA red line, that becomes very important on the higher side. Okay, on the lower side, so the low for the last week and yesterday's session, that becomes very important. But I think the gap down today might be below that low. But yeah, before that, the key news is around the SBI card. They have approved the board has approved the fundraising of around 2,500 crore by issuing fresh NCDs. NMDC has cut the price by around 1,100 per ton, and the price of lump ore they have fixed it around 4,400 and fines at around 3,310 per ton. And yes, this is a good news for the defense industry because the Defense Acquisitions Council gave a primary approval to military modernization project, which will be around 76,000 crore, including Navy's next generation corvette. So this is a step ahead towards the Make in India thing. And yes, PSP projects got an order of around 70 crore. If you look at the global and the Asian market, so Dow Jones, it might look okay that okay it closed in a positive territory, but if you might have tracked what happened last night is almost 1 to 1.5% ka reversal tha. There was a time when Nasdaq was up more than 1.5% yesterday, right? And the Dow and S&P also were trading at a very good level, but intraday reversal मार दिया था पूरा US market, and that's why I think futures भी अभी थोड़ा weak trade कर रहा है. But not this 1% positive or 0.3, 0.4% positive matters, but जो 1-1.5% का reversal मारा US market में, that is to be noted for the day. Asian market, Kospi is down around 1.3%. Baki Nikkei, Shanghai, Hang Seng are trading almost flat. The Brent crude continues to stay $1 or $2 here and there from around 120. And yes, again, the US 10-year yield has crossed 3%. I think it's again at the highest level since May 11. So after the reversal yesterday, or maybe this is the reason for reversal. Okay, if you look at the SGX Nifty's opening, it is expected to open below 16,500. So let's see if it can hold this 16,450, 500 zone, which is very important support zone if you consider last few sessions. So if that happens, then let's see how good the reversal is, volume कैसा है और कौन से stock lead कर रहे हैं. So that's it for the today's session, guys. Thank you. See you all at the same time tomorrow.